Hello Swing2App users! In this video, we will discuss one of the basic features options called as the View Favorite Page. The View Favorite Page feature allows the user to see all the app posts and items that they have liked at one time. To apply this feature in your app, first select the menu by clicking on it. Go to the page design area and click on the basic feature option. Hover your mouse over View Favorite Page and click on the Apply button and Save button. Because we haven't liked any item or post yet, nothing will appear on the menu we've applied the View Favorite Page to. So, to test this feature, pick any post and click on the heart icon. Want to learn how app admins create posts in the app? There will be a tutorial video about that soon, so stay tuned. You can see that a post has appeared in the list of favorite pages. Like this, whenever users like any post or item in your app, it will directly get saved in the View Favorite menu. Create your app with Swing2App now. Thanks for watching.